Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the module number 6 in Microsoft SQL Server 2022. So today's session is all about the introduction of TSQL query and their elements like operators, function, variables, and the other part. So we'll be talking about more into the elements of SQL Server 2022. So let's get started this video. So here is the video content what we are going to learn in this video. So we'll understand the what is TSQL and the categorize of TSQL statement, TSQL language elements, and the elements of predicates and the operators, then functions, then variables, and then the expressions, and then the control of flow, error, and transitions, the comments, and the batch operators. So let's see the first part about the TSQL. What is the TSQL? SQL Structured Query Language. SQL stands for Structured SQL Language, developed by the IBM on 1970, and then it adopted by ANSI and the ISO standard bodies, and widely it used in the industry. So PL SQL, that is by the Oracle. SQL Procedure Language, it's by the IBM, and the Transact SQL, that is from the Microsoft. So we have three types of SQL: PL/SQL by the Oracle, SQL Procedure Language by the IBM, and Transact SQL, that's called the TSQL, developed by the Microsoft. Now, the Transact SQL is commonly referred as a TSQL and the query language of this SQL Server 2022. Now, SQL is the declarative describe you want to and not the individually steps. Now, the categorize of the TSQL elements, DML, data manipulation language. DML stand for the data manipulation language used to query the manipulate data like select, insert, update, and the delete. So we have the four types of major commands: select type of command, insert type of command, update, and the delete. Now, DML, it's a data definition language used to define the database object like creator, alter, and drop. So three types of command we can use under the DDL. Under the DCL, data control language, it used to manage the security permissions like grant, invoke, and the deny. But in this tutorial, in this module, we will be concentrating only for the DML with the select and the focus on this course. Now let's understand the TSQL language element, the predicates and the operators, functions, variable, expressions, batch operators, control flow, comments, and this. So all these things we are gonna learn now. Let's understand the predicates and the operators. So what are the predicates and the operators used in the SQL? So predicates is like all, any, between, in, like, or some. So all these words comes under the predicates. The comparison operators: equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to, not greater than, or not greater than, not less than. Logical operator: and or not. Arithmetic operators are like a multiply, divide by, percentage, plus, minus. And the concatenation is a plus. So all these operators we are going to learn in our coming videos, how you can use all these predicates and the operators. So this video is just to letting you know or the introduction of the SQL elements. Now the TSQL language elements of functions. So now here is the function. So string function, we have string like a substring, left, right, len, replace, replicate, upper, lower, l trim, right trim, r trim, and stuff, and the sound x. Data and the time functions, get date, the sync date and time, get update, and get date add, date difference, year, month, date, date name, and the date part is date. Aggregate functions comes like your the calculation uh, sum minus max, average, count big, and stdev, std avr, and var. So all these functions I will be creating one by one video about all these functions, how you can utilize it. Now, the SQL language elements for the variables. What are the variables? What is the variable? So, local variable in the TSQL temporarily stored in a value of the specific data. So, name begin with the sign of at the rate. If you are declaring any of the variable, it will stored by the at the rate sign. So, double at the rate sign reserved for the system functions. Assigned data type and must be declared and within the same batch, like on a same query, as the batch separator. In the SQL 2000 from the SQL 2016 server, you can declare the initialize the variable and the same statement. The declare at the how you can declare. So declare at the rate search, and this is like a vchar value 30 and equal to match percentage code. So like that you can declare the value for the search. So search value is stored in that, like how you can store the search value at the rate and the search value, and using by the declare command. I will show you in my the coming session how you can do that. Now, the combination of identifiers, what is the expressions? Expressions is a combination of identifiers, values, and the operators evaluated of obtained a single result. Can be used as a select statement, select clause, or the where clause. Can be a single constant, single value function, or the variable. Can be combined as expressions have the same data type. Now the control flow and the errors and the transitions. So control of flow, the command is come if, else, while, break, continue, begin, end, and the wait for. Now error handling is try, catch, throw. Transition control command is a begin transition, rollback transition, commit transition, rollback work, and save transition. And now the above is used for the programmatic code objects. The comments. TSQL language elements comments. How you can comment any of the value. So two methods of marking the text as a comment. Suppose you are writing any of the SQL query, and in that inside you want to comment any of the line. So what you can do, you can use the backslash and start, and you can write anything and you can close it start by the backslash. Or you can do the this is a hyphen, double hyphen you can use. This is a inline command. So two types of method you can use for to comment any of value, comment any of the line. Now batches are set of command. So what is that is batch separators. So batches are the set of command sent to the SQL as a unit. Batches determine value scope, name resolution, and to separate statement into the batches, use the separators. So SQL server tool use the go words, the go keyword. Go is not a SQL server, it's a tsql command. Go bracket count execute the preceding batch the count times. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you at least learn something about this. I will back soon in my the next video. See you soon in my next video.